Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's game-changing in the social media world, creating a hyper-realistic Instagram model using AI. And the best part? You can make money from it without ever showing your face. We'll be using Leonardo AI for most of the process, from designing the model to managing its social presence. Whether you're a content creator, a digital marketer, or just curious, stick around because I'm breaking down every step in detail. Let's get started. Before we dive into the actual tutorial, let's talk about why you'd want to create a hyper-realistic Instagram model. The rise of AI has made it possible to create photorealistic digital influencers who never age, can work around the clock, and can cater to any niche or brand. These virtual influencers are taking over social media, partnering with big brands, and generating massive engagement. This means you can create a digital persona that can earn from brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, and even product placements. Now, let's see how we can build one step by step using Leonardo AI. I'm going to build a talking influencer avatar for the fashion industry, a female model. To do so, I'm going to use several AI tools. I'm leaving the prompts I used and the links to the tools in a Word document in the description below. I'm going to use Leonardo AI to create it. Then, I'll use the new Black AI to change her clothes and dub to give her a voice and animate her in a video with a perfect lip sync. You can create a free account of these tools. Once you click on Leonardo's link below, you can open a free account. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, you select Image Creation. Then, you prepare the main preset for hyperrealism. To do so, you select the preset Lifelike Vision. Then, you go to the preset style and select HDR. Then, you set up the contrast to medium, the generation mode to quality, and the image dimensions to quality. I selected 16 by 9, which is great for YouTube, but you can use any other you need. For the number of images, I selected 4, but you can select the amount you want. On advanced settings, you should select Photo Real. On Model, I'm using Leonardo Vision XL and activating Photo Real. It should look like this. Now, we can start creating the hyper-realistic avatar. All I have to do is prepare a prompt. I did one that I'm leaving in the Word doc below in the description, using a model in it as follows. A hyper-realistic full front body image of an Instagram model Kendall Jenner, but kind of African-American, in her early 20s. She is standing up and looking at the camera, capturing the intensity in his eyes, her face's beauty, and her body's intricate details. Focus on a neutral expression with subtle hints of a smirk. I researched, and this model has millions of followers on Instagram, so she has proven likability. This is what the prompt gives us. I'm going to delete the first image on the left, upscale the other 3, and I'm going to upscale the remaining 3 images using the new upscaling feature of Leonardo as follow. On the upscale settings, we are going to set it to realistic, and the upscale multiplier on 2 or 5, it's up to you. In the advanced settings, creativity strength is on 2, details contrast is on 7, and similarity is on 10. You can change these settings if you want more realistic, and here are the results. Now, to use the character consistently, which will allow us to place it in other locations, like the beach, a party, a fashion show, etc., we need to seed it, which is very easy. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner, a menu will open, and click on Copy Seed. Copy and paste it into the advanced settings. When it says Use Fixed Seed, the toggle will be turned on. Save the seed if you plan to use it again. Now, let's see how it works. I'm going to copy and paste my prompt again, but this time I'll add "at a beach in Cancun." I love the second image on the bottom left. Check them out and tell me which one is your favorite in the comments. It would be cool if you told us why. The results look great. The face similarity is outstanding. Let's create some images by adding things we want her to do. She's at a beach in Cancun wearing a red dress. Now we change the prompt. Use this for the gym. At the gym. Now you have a model. Every time you need to create images with her, you just use the seed you saved. If you didn't save it, just go to the original prompt, the first we used, or to one that has perfect images of your model, then copy and paste the seed again in the same way. The primary function of the seed is to guide the artificial intelligence. There is another way, or what others consider another way, to get consistent characters, but I use it in conjunction with the previous way I just showed you. This way is training the character. It should be done only if you're going to use the avatar, as you should continuously. We will use the images we have done and do more until we get to 40 or more, and download them using the Download All feature on the 3 dots in the upper right corner, as you can see. Now that we have more than 40 images, we can start training the model. To do so, we have to go back to Leonardo's dashboard by clicking on the Leonardo AI in the upper left corner. Then you go to click on Training and Datasets. Now select New Dataset, and a new window opens. Fill it up and click on Create Dataset. And upload the 40+ images. Now click on Start Training. A new window opens. Fill it out. For training resolution, use 512 by 512. For category, select characters. For trigger word, I'm using hyper-realistic model, and for base model, select Stable Diffusion V1.5. Now just click on Start to initiate the training process. Now just wait for the email. To make her talk, I'm going to use DubDub. First, I'm going to select an image to make her talk. I like this one. Then, click on the link below to log in to DubDub. If you already have an account, just log in. Select AI Avatar. Let's upload our image. Add some text, and add the voiceover. I selected Lottie Miller as the voiceover. Click on Generate Talking Avatar. And here we have a very nice video.
Hi, I am you AI model for Instagram.
Now this is only if you want to take your avatar to the next level. I'm going to remove the background. To do so, I'll use Pixel Cut. Log in and select Remove BG. Then, upload the image. Then click on Download, and here we have it without background. Now we can change her clothes with the new black AI, which allows a high level of customization. Let's do her in a black dress. First, log into the new black eye and select Image to Image. Now upload the image and select Edit Image from Text from the drop-down menu. It should look like this. Now, let's get her new clothes. On the description of the part to be removed, I'm going to indicate gray sweater. On what I want instead, I'm going to use a black dress. Then I click on Modify. And here, we have the results. Now, this is a tool that I recommend you use once you have a considerable following. Many of you may be wondering about the OF thing, which is also recommended once you have a considerable following. I don't do this, but I can see how easy it can be. I'm going to leave you some magic spicy links in the description for you to check it out. Experiment with trending video formats like Get Ready With Me or Day in the Life clips, using AI-generated content to maintain authenticity. With Leonardo AI, you can create videos that not only look professional, but also connect deeply with your followers. Now let's take monetization a step further with some advanced strategies. Create exclusive content for paid followers. Use Leonardo AI to generate premium photos and videos for a subscription service like Patreon or a private Instagram account. Partner with e-commerce platforms to create and promote your own virtual products. Think digital fashion or artwork, all designed using Leonardo AI. Set up a consultation or tutorial service where you help others create their own digital influencers using AI tools. Package this as a course or a coaching program. Use AI to create engaging ad content for brands. Leonardo AI can help produce sleek visuals that can be used in ad campaigns. Leverage NFTs. Convert unique content featuring your AI influencer into digital collectibles. This can attract a niche audience willing to pay for exclusive ownership rights. By exploring these advanced methods, you can maximize the earning potential of your digital influencer, creating multiple revenue streams that work around the clock. And that wraps up our in-depth tutorial on creating a hyper-realistic Instagram influencer using Leonardo AI. From designing the perfect look to building a content strategy and monetizing your model, you now have everything you need to make a splash in the digital world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.